guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating a full face of makeup using some products which are very old, which I bought a long time back and which I'm trying to finish. Actually during lockdown everything was closed, we were not able to buy new things, so actually it gave me a very good chance to go through my old makeup products because मैं वीडियोस बनाती रहती हूँ तो मैं काफ़ी सारे नए प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज करती रहती हूँ, ट्राई करती रहती हूँ। जो ओल्डर प्रोडक्ट्स रहते हैं वो कहीं है ना पीछे चले जाते हैं एंड आई डोंट रीच आउट टू दोज ओल्डर प्रोडक्ट्स। नॉट लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू रीच आउट टू दोज प्रोडक्ट्स और आई डोंट लाइक देम, बट समहाउ मैं भूल जाती हूँ उन प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करना। तो ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा चांस मिला एंड आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू ऑल माई मेकअप एंड आई वॉज चेकिंग द एक्सपायरी डिटेल्स ऑफ ऑल द मेकअप एंड ऑल, एंड देन आई जस्ट सेपरेटेड फ्यू ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि काफ़ी ओल्ड हैं, मुझे काफ़ी पसंद भी थे एंड काफ़ी ओल्ड हैं और जल्दी ही एक्सपायर हो जाएंगे। तो आई वॉन्टेड टू फिनिश ऑल दोज प्रोडक्ट्स बिफोर दे एक्सपायर बिकॉज वो काफ़ी अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। तो आज जो ये फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप आप देख रहे हैं, आई विल बी क्रिएटिंग दिस लुक यूजिंग ऑल दोज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई विल गिव यू मेनी रिव्यूज एज वेल अबाउट दोज प्रोडक्ट्स। सो इफ यू वांट टू नो हाउ आई अचीव दिस लुक एंड व्हाट आर प्रोडक्ट्स आई यूज टू क्रिएट दिस लुक, प्लीज कीप ऑन वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। So let's start with the eyes today, and first I'll do my eyebrows, and for that I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline. It's their Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. You can see कि इसका नाम हट गया है, इसका जो प्रिंट है नाम का it's totally gone because it's very old and it will expire in some time. So I'm trying to finish this up before it expires. So इसके अंदर आपको एक साइड पे इस तरह की पेंसिल मिलती है। इट्स अ वेरी टाइनी वेरी प्रिसाइज पेंसिल। सो दिस इज़ रियली गुड बिकॉज इट्स वेरी ईजी टू fill your eyebrows using this. It's very easy to create those fake eyebrows kind of stroke. तो बहुत ईजी रहता है इससे eyebrows create करना। एंड ऑन द अदर साइड यू गेट दिस पाउडर पोमेड हियर जिससे आप अपनी eyebrows को fill कर सकते हैं। So I'll be using this today. So जो पेंसिल है बहुत ज़्यादा क्रीमी भी नहीं है, which is really good. Now I'll take the other side of this and I'll just fill my eyebrows using this pomade. So I like to clean my eyebrows, so I'll use this Miss Clear Full Coverage Concealer to clean my eyebrows now. I feel this makes a big difference, but this is not a mandatory step and you can totally skip this if you don't want to do it. Now for my eyes I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. This is Sof X Revolution Extra Spice Eyeshadow palette. So this is how this palette looks. This is a really beautiful palette and you get very nice shades in this palette and you get really nice combination of matte and metallic shades here. Actually मेरे पास काफ़ी सारे eyeshadow palettes हैं, so it was really difficult to find out one old palette. एक और पैलेट है विच इज़ ऑल्सो रियली ओल्ड, विच इज़ दैट वेट एंड वाइल्ड आई शेडो पैलेट, बट मैंने उसको रिसेंटली एक वीडियो में यूज़ किया था, सो आई डिडंट वांट टू यूज़ इट अगेन। तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस पैलेट बिकॉज दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई ओल्ड favorites. So here I'll just point to the shade I'm using and I'll make this part of the video fast forward so that ये वीडियो ज़्यादा लॉन्ग ना हो, बिकॉज इस तरह के ट्यूटोरियल वाले जो वीडियोस रहते हैं मेरे वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लॉन्ग हो जाते हैं। I forgot to prep my eyelids, so for that I'm using this LA Girl concealer. मैं इस कंसीलर को आगे भी यूज़ करूँगी इस वीडियो में। So I'll just apply this concealer all over my lids. I always clean the edges using some concealer and I just blend this area so that ये जो area है ये आपको यहाँ पे कोई harsh line ना दिखे and it looks blended. तो ऐसे I just tap it with the fingers and I blend the edges. And now it looks so nice. I think so. Now for liner, I'm using this liner from Wet n Wild. It's their H2O proof liquid liner. अगर आप मुझे रेगुलरली फॉलो करते हैं तो आप देख रहे होंगे कि आई एम यूजिंग दिस लाइनर अ लॉट नाउअडेज. वन थिंग इज़ आई रीडिस्कवर्ड दिस लाइनर. दिस इज़ अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल लाइनर. मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है लाइनर नाउअडेज. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज़ इट्स वेरी ओल्ड एंड इट विल एक्सपायर इन सम टाइम. So I want to finish it up before it gets expired. So this is a crazy liner I did. It was not at all intentional, trust me, it was totally accidental and I know it will be very difficult for me to repeat the same thing on this side, but let's do it. Okay, we did it. I think this one is matching with this one. I did my best. Okay, so let's move on. So I'll do the lower lash line and mascara once I'm done with my base. So let's do the base now. So for primer, I'm using this primer from Colorwa. It's their Perfect Match primer. It's also a very old primer and I'm trying to finish up this primer as well. It's almost over ही हो गया है. You can see it's not coming out. It is literally not coming out. So it's a silicone based primer and it fills the pores really well और बहुत अच्छा blurring effect भी provide करता है. So I leave this primer for 5 minutes or something so that अच्छे से set हो जाए face पे and then I'll move on with the foundation. तो जो primer है वो अच्छे से set हो गया है, so let's move on to the foundation. And for that I'm using this foundation from Wet n Wild. It's their Photo Focus foundation. ये भी काफ़ी ओल्ड फाउंडेशन है एंड ये मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ भी नहीं किया बिकॉज आई हैव सो मेनी फाउंडेशंस. तो हर फाउंडेशन को ख़त्म कर पाना इज़ नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. तो ये जो फाउंडेशन है मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ नहीं किया है बिकॉज इट्स अ मैट फाउंडेशन एंड आई एम करेंटली लविंग द फाउंडेशन विथ नेचुरल कवरेज. और ये काफ़ी मैट फिनिश देता है. फाउंडेशन बहुत ही अच्छा है बट सिंस ये बहुत मैट फिनिश देता है तो somehow I'm not reaching out to this foundation. So let's use this one only today. So it comes with this spatula. So I'll just take the foundation on the back of my hand. I don't like to apply directly from the spatula. That's what I don't like about the packaging, but it's okay. The foundation is good. Also the fragrance of this foundation is really really strong. एकदम chemically पेन टाइप स्मेल करता है ये. दैट इज ऑल्सो अ बैड थिंग. बाय द वे द स्पंज व्हाट आई एम यूजिंग टुडे इज फ्रॉम बैक. So you can see it gives a really nice coverage. That's why I like this foundation. You can see, right, it looks so beautiful. By the way, I forgot to tell you the shade of this foundation. So I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So now let's move on to concealer. For that I'll use these two concealers. First is this LA Pro Coverage HD Concealer and this one is in the shade Pure Beige. This also I'm trying to finish from some time. So this one I'm just using under my eyes. I actually don't like the applicator of this concealer. So I'll use a brush to blend the concealer around my nose and under eyes. It's actually difficult to blend the concealer around the nose and these inner corners using this sponge, so that's why I'm using the brush. Now I'll use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable as a highlighting concealer. Now I'll set my concealer, and for that I'm using this powder from L'Oreal. It's their all-in-one setting powder. So I'm setting only the areas where I applied concealer and I'm not setting whole face because the foundation है वो already matte है, so you don't need to actually set the foundation. Next I'll just spray this setting spray from NYX all over my face. This thing I do just to melt everything together, and then I'll just press this using this sponge. Next for contouring, I'm using this palette from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Glow contouring palette. So in this, by the way, the shade is Dulce de Leche, and in this one you get this contouring shade and you get this powder as well. ये powder भी काफी अच्छा है. So I'll just take this contouring powder. Actually, there is a lot of kickback in this powder, so you always remember to take off the excess अच्छे से and then apply it. So you can see कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ये contouring shade. So next for blush, I'm using this blush from Wet n Wild. It's their Color Icon blush, and this one is in the shade Pearlescent Pink. It's a very beautiful blush and it's a cult favorite product. And it looks like that I'm using a lot of product from Wet n Wild in this video. So it's a highly pigmented blush, so always tap off the excess and I'll just swirl this on back of my hand little bit and then I apply it. So it's not a matte blush, it has little bit of shimmer to it. I'm not sure whether you can see, but it has little bit of shimmer to it, but उतना ये face पे show up नहीं होता है. It gives a very nice beautiful sheen to the face और large particles नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, but it gives a very beautiful finish. Now next for highlighter, I'm using this highlighter from Makeup Revolution. It's their Pro Illuminate highlighting powder. Look at this glow. It's a really beautiful highlighter. ये बहुत ही soft है and बहुत ही प्यारा highlighter है. एंड यू गेट दिस बिग पैन हियर, इसको ख़त्म तो नहीं कर पाएंगे आप। So I'll use the same highlighter for my brow bone as well. Let's apply this in the inner corners too. Now let's quickly finish off the eyes. First I'll take this shade. Next I'm taking this shade. Next for kajal I'm using this Nykaa I Am Black kajal. This also I'm trying to finish. I'll set my face again using this NYX setting spray. Now for mascara, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara. ये मस्कारा जैसे जैसे खत्म हो रहा है वैसे वैसे और अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है somehow. For lipstick I'm using this Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick. This one is in the shade 08 Cleopatra. मुझे ये लिपस्टिक फॉर्मूला बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So yeah guys, this is the final look and I think it was a very simple everyday kind of look. You can just change the lip color, you can just replace the lip color with a nude lip and you will be good to go. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. My YouTube analytics say that many of you are not subscribed. So please do subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button what you see just below this video, that red color subscribe button. So please hit that red subscribe button before you leave. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.